Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. I have a ta-da today. 4 ta-das. Okay. So I finished up the envelope journals, the big and the minis. And no, I'm not finished with the little Mrs. Mouse Tea Party journal kit. But I'm finished with these, so I thought I would give you a big flip through. So many things to stuff in them because we've been making so many things in the Friday freebies. If you haven't watched those, go over and check those out. There's lots of freebies and lots of things to make. So I've put some of those. Not all of them would fit in here, but like I said, I'm not finished yet. So we're going to go through these, and they're mostly twinsies. The front is a little bit different on, as far as the cover on these. And one's got the little girl mouse, and one's got the little boy mouse. So we're just going to give it a look inside. I just use this seam binding for a closure on all of them because, it goes, and it's cute. So, okay, now I've used the little Velcros to, do the thing. So we've got that. This one has the little peek hole with the little boy mouse peeping out. And you can see him on both sides, because I mirror imaged him. We've got tuck pockets. I did put an extra pocket in here, just a stacked image one, right? So there's that. And on this one, I also put that extra pocket in. Of course, that's the peephole. There's tuck pockets and tuck pockets, just like the other one, and the extra pocket inside because, why not, right? So we've got the little girl mouse peeping in. Most of the rest of it is more or less twinsies. I'll show you the differences as we go through. I use different pages because there's so many pages in the kit, right? So there's different pages in each one, and one of them I have angled pockets, right? We made this in the Friday freebies. So they're all stacked images. Yep, angled pockets. Again, Friday freebies. It's too cute, guys, too cute. And this is, again, this is that little trifold that we made in the ephemera. Was that last week? You guys have to let me know. I think it was last week. Then I put a signature in here, just writing pages. I think there's 40 sheets in that, front and back. So we've got back here, I wanted it to not be quite so bulky, so I put just some tags back here because it gets a little bit fluffy, right? So we've got writing tags. Again, just the angled pockets, stacked image. Yeah, same. Okay, on the back we left it just with the prettiness. Okay, now on this one, it is a little bit different in that I did use the different pages, right? But on this one, I put straight across pockets. So you can do them either way, and they're stacked images, same, more or less the same things in each pocket, so I don't need to pull them out every time. Different pages, because like I said, there's so many things, so many pages in this kit till I had to, I had to use a whole bunch of them. We've got lots of pages. There's 40 front and back on that in the signature. And then, just stacked images. Yeah, different different pages, but same. There you go. This was so much fun to make. I hope you guys made a few of them because they're really fun. And now we get to these little guys. The minis, right? Again, I just used some of the that seam binding. And I put our little, I made so many of these till, you know, a little T, their little T tag. That's a Friday freebie. I have one of those in each one of them. And I have the little mini postcard, you know, thingy. Lots of little teeny things going on in here. These ones are just that one. Remember, I made a sort of a template, so I would have them all more or less the same curve, right? This one is the little book that we made with the tags inside. That was a Friday freebie, so that's just stuck halfway in, like, you know, because yeah, it's a stacked image. And this one's got, I think there's 20 pages front and back. Little, you know, just, I didn't do the mini pages on this one. I just used the line pages that I've used in a lot of minis. Oh, and each one of them has a little teapot tied onto the to the signature strings. I just stuck a little card in there. Like I said, didn't want to get too fluffy with it, but we've got plenty of space for things to be added in. Yeah, there's a little teapot on every one of them. I didn't think to show you that on the big ones, but yeah, every one of them has a teapot because, you know, it's a tea party, right? Okay, so this is the other mini. Super cute. I had some of this that I had trimmed off the edge for that, so I used it. I mean, you know, it was there. So same things in the pockets, just stacked images. Super cute. This one I just stuck the whole book in because it was going that way. The other one was going the other way, the pocket. So again, a little signature with the teapot. Another little, you know, Windows journal card. And you can stick a lot more in here. I just stuck something in so that you could see there's a pocket, right? It's just a, they're so cute. They're so pretty. And I think I'm working on my, you remember I told you I was thinking about doing a series for crafting with a purpose, right? I think I'm working on my Christmas presents or something like that. I'm going to have plenty of these. I've got the, do you remember I did the paper bag ones, right? And that was the Mrs. Mouse's tea party. And I did these ones, the large and the small, right? And now I'm going to do next, I'm going to do a hardcover slotted spine because I want one for me, but I'm also going to make two, so there'll be one for gifting as well. Crafting with a purpose, guys. Make sure we, I don't know, I heard this from somebody, I don't know, a while, maybe a couple years ago, 2 or 3. Anyways, they said, when you're making something for yourself, go ahead and make another one. That way you've got one for gifting, you know. And I thought, well, that's a really good idea. It is. So I thought, that's what I'm going to do this year. I'm going to make some for gifting, and then when it gets to Christmas time, hopefully, I'll be ready. I love Christmas time, if you hadn't already figured that out. So, yeah, make one for yourself and one for gifting, or if you've got plenty for yourself, make 2 for gifting. Okay, so we have got, these are getting really to be piling up now. I've got a lot of journals. I may have to go through and pull some out and sell them. It's a thing, you know. So, this is, I can't talk now. This is This is our envelope journals with lots of the Friday freebies stuffed in the pockets. Now, if you've been making the Friday freebies along with me, then you know there are a lot of a lot more that we can put in to a lot of other pockets, which we're going to make in the slotted spine one. So get ready. We're going to make another one. Well, I'm going to make 2. And if you want to make 2, go ahead and do that. Super cute, super fun, quick and easy, quick and fun flip throughs on 4 journals. Awesome, awesome. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.